In this video, we will be solving problems involving circular functions. So kung naaalala ninyo, circular functions natin, galing din naman talaga dun sa 6 trigonometric functions. Yun yung sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, at saka cosecant, hindi ba? Kasi kaya nating mag-inscribe ng isang right triangle sa loob ng isang circle. Pero kung ang context natin circle, ang tawag natin sa kanila ay circular functions. Pero paano natin i-apply yung knowledge natin about those functions into actual problems? Bago tayo mag-start, i-recall muna natin yung nalalaman natin tungkol sa trigonometric functions, no? O circular functions kung circle ang pinag-uusapan. Alam natin na sa isang right triangle, para matawag na right triangle, dapat merong 90-degree angle. At kung merong isa pang angle, dun sa triangle na yon, nang sinusubukan mong hanapan ng sukat, mapapakinabangan mo yung knowledge mo, mapapakinabangan mo yung information about its adjacent side. So this is the side adjacent to this angle, angle theta. Adjacent kasi katabi. Now, baka itanong ninyo, katabi rin naman niya itong side? Well, meron kasi tayong mas tamang tawag dyan. The longest side in a right triangle, which is actually opposite of the 90-degree angle, yan yung tinatawag nating hypotenuse. Yan. And of course, ito namang side na to, yun yung opposite dun sa given angle natin. So, this is the opposite side. Opposite side to the given angle. Yan. Now, kung isa sa mga bagay na yan ang nawawala, magagamit mo yung mnemonic natin na SOHCAHTOA. Yan. SOHCAHTOA. So, alam natin na to solve for sine theta, kailangan natin i-divide yung opposite side, length ng opposite side, by the length of the hypotenuse. So, opposite to theta over the hypotenuse. Ganon din naman dito sa cosine theta. Adjacent side naman yon divided by the hypotenuse. Adjacent to theta divided by the hypotenuse. And then, tangent naman ang gagamitin mo kung meron kang opposite side na given at yung adjacent side. Now, mahalaga lang na alam mo yung tatlo kasi yung natitirang tatlo pa na trigonometric function o circular function ay flip version lang nila. Ibig sabihin, reciprocals lamang nila. Ang reciprocal ni sine, of course, if sine theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse, i-flip mo yan, opposite, yan, pag flip mo yan, hypotenuse na over the opposite side, ang hinahanap mo is the cosecant theta. Kung i-flip mo naman, itong adjacent over hypotenuse, gawin mong hypotenuse divided by the adjacent side. Ang hinahanap mo is the secant theta. And then finally, i-flip mo yung tangent theta, which is opposite over adjacent. Baligtarin mo rin yon. Yan, ang makuha mo is the adjacent side divided by the opposite side. Yun naman ay yung cotangent theta. Yan. So, magsisimula talaga dito sa mnemonic na to. Now, kung halimbawa, ang nawawalang part ay itong opposite side, tapos may given na hypotenuse, at given yung measurement ng angle, mapapakinabangan mo yung dalawa na yon. Itong angle given and the hypotenuse. So, titingnan mo alin sa mga to yung may hypotenuse, tapos involved din yung opposite side. May hypotenuse, involving opposite side. Apparently, ito siya, yung sine theta. So, ibig sabihin, sine yung function na gagamitin mo para ma-solve mo yung length ng opposite side. Kasi, ang given sa'yo ay yung hypotenuse at the given angle. So, ito yung given angle, yung theta, and then yung hypotenuse. So, you can manipulate that to solve for the opposite side. Ganon. Palaging kailangan meron kang dalawa na alam para mahanap mo yung nag-iisa na nawawala. So, let's say, sa cosine theta naman, magagamit mo si cosine theta kung given yung at least dalawa dito. Either yung angle or adjacent side, the angle measurement or the hypotenuse. O kaya naman, itong parehas na dalawa, adjacent side at saka hypotenuse meron, given. You just divide that, tapos yun na yung iyong cosine theta. Ganun din dito sa tangent theta, same idea. Kung ang involved ay yung opposite side at saka adjacent side, and then you're looking for the angle measurement, o kaya naman, meron ng angle measurement, nawawala lang yung opposite side, tapos given yung adjacent side, ito yung gagamitin mo. No? At least meron kang dalawang information na alam mula dun sa triangle, tapos piliin mo kung alin yung pinakabagay para magamit mo. Let's try solving a problem. So, dito sa ating unang problem, you're asked to find the angle na dito nakapwesto given yung measurements ng sides na to. Itong side na to ay 14, ito namang side na to ay 36. Apparently, ang nawawala ay itong longest side. The side opposite the right angle, which is also the hypotenuse. Now, sabi ko kanina, kailangan meron kang at least dalawang nalalaman para ma-solve yung kinakailangan, no? Actually, hindi pala hypotenuse hinahanap. Ito ng theta. Hindi lang provided yung hypotenuse. So, unknown siya. Pero syempre, ang pakikinabangan mo ay yung binigay sa'yo. Ano bang information yung meron ka na para malaman mo kung anong function yung gagamitin. So, this side, yung may habang 14 units, yan yung adjacent side to theta. And then, this side is the opposite side to theta. So, anong function ba yung merong adjacent side at opposite side? Kung marirecall, yun yung TOA. Diba? The tangent function. To solve for that, you divide the opposite side by the adjacent side. So, yun yung magagamit natin dito. Kasi meron tayo nung at least dalawa na nire-require nitong function na to. Which is the opposite side and the adjacent side. Ito pala yung opposite side and then ito yung adjacent side. So, kahit hindi mo alam yung hypotenuse, masasolve mo pa rin yung measure ng angle na to. Let's try. So, we're looking for the measurement of tangent theta. At ang sabi dito, sa mnemonic natin, all you need to do is to divide the opposite side by the adjacent side. The opposite side natin ay ito. So, that's 36 units. Divide mo lang by the adjacent side, which is 14. Ayan. So, may ilan ng 14 sa loob ni 36 because this is actually 36 over 14. Kung hindi siya sakto, maybe we can simplify this. Divide natin by their greatest common factor. So, pwede ba ako sa 4? Yung 36 pwede, pero yung 14 hindi. How about 2? Divide natin pareha sa 2. Yung 36, divide mo sa 2, that will give us 18. Tama ba ako? And then, yung 40 naman, divide mo sa 2. yan ay magiging 7. And we simplify this further. Kung hindi na, sulat mo yung nasa kabilang side. And then, remember that our goal is to solve for theta. At siya ay nasa left side. Ayun. So, to solve for theta also means to isolate theta on either side of the equal sign. Nagkataon na nasa left side siya, so dapat isolated siya sa left side. Dapat wala siyang kasama. So, paano ko magagawa yon? I need to remove this tangent. Nasanay tayo na palagi magkasama yung tangent tsaka theta, yung sine tsaka theta, yung cosine tsaka theta, no? Pero alam ba natin na pwede talaga natin silang paghiwalayin? Lalo na kung hinahanap natin ay yung measure ng angle. Tingnan kung paano ko gagawin. I-divide ko to, both sides by tangent, or tan lang, no? Tapos yung nasa left side makakancel. Anything divided by itself is 1. So ano na lang natira doon? Yung tangent. Ay yung theta. Yung measure na hinahanap natin. So all you need to do is to simplify this. Now, notice that we have here a fraction divided by tangent. Divided by something. Hindi natin kayang gawin yan kasi wala tayong value para sa tangent. Pero, siguro magagawan ko ng paraan ito. Because this is also 18 over 7 multiplied by 1 over tan. Tama? Inalis ko lang yung tangent mula sa baba. Hiniwalay ko siya dito kay 18 over 17. So, meron siyang numerator na 1. Siya nasa baba. At itong 1 over tan, alam natin na lahat ng 1 over ay kaya natin gawing negative 1 na exponent. We can actually rewrite this as 18 over 7. And then, yung 1 over tangent, this can be tan raised to negative 1. Or, ang basa na natin dito ay inverse tangent. Or arctan. No? Inverse, kasi may negative 1 na exponent. Or, kung babasahin mo, pwedeng arctan. Arc. Yan. So, paano ko to gagawin? Paano ko to isosolve? The proper way of doing that is to use the calculator, no? Siyempre, sa calcu, pag tinype mo yan, unahin mo yung tangent. So, this is actually tan inverse tangent of 18 over 7. So, let's bring out our calculator. Inverse tangent, nasan siya makikita? Basically, ayun, nasa tan function. Pero kailangan ko pindutin yung shift. Yan. Tan raised to negative 1 or inverse tangent or arctan of what? 18 over 7. So, fraction yon. Paano ko siya itatype? Yan. 18 over 7. Then, let's hit the equal sign. Ayun. This is 68.74949 or kuhanin ko lang yung nearest hundredths. So, that's 68.75 degrees. Degrees na ito. 68.75. Ulit natin. 68.75 degrees. So, that's actually the measurement of theta. Itong given angle. Kahit hindi natin alam yung hypotenuse, basta meron tayong dalawang given information na papapakinabangan, we can solve for the given angle. Let's try another example. Yan. Again, we're asked to find theta. Well, actually, dapat dito ang hinahanap na natin ay yung given side kasi may angle naman tayo. So, rewrite ko siya. Yan. Let's find x. And x is given as a side on this right triangle. May binigay na information, isang angle sa loob ng triangle, and then may isang side, which is the hypotenuse. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga meron tayo. Meron tayong angle measure, meron tayong hypotenuse, At meron tayong, this is the opposite side. So, anong function yung dapat kong gamitin? Meron tayong opposite side, meron tayong hypotenuse, meron tayong angle measure. So, we can use this mnemonic sa SOHCAHTOA. We will be using sine function. Kasi mapapakinabangan natin itong opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Sulat natin. So, sine theta. Pero yung theta, yung angle measure ay alam ko. Given. So, isulat ko yung 57 degrees. Sine of 57 degrees equals opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Opposite side, hindi ko alam. So, I just write x divided by 12. Again, kaya si sine function yung ginamit kasi alam ko yung dalawang information na nire-require niya. At least dalawa, no? Meron akong angle measure at meron akong hypotenuse. At hinahanap ko yung opposite side. Kasi pwede kong gamitin yung ano pa ba yung may opposite at saka yung I mean yung may hypotenuse. Tingnan natin. Ayun. Opposite na hypotenuse. Wala na bukod sa kanya. Pero yung cosine function may hypotenuse. Ang problema, adjacent yung isang information na nire-require niya. At hindi natin kailangan yon, diba? This is the adjacent side at wala namang kahit anong pinrovide para sa kanya. So, pakinabangan natin yung merong binigay. Yung side na to yung hinahanap at merong hypotenuse na given. So, we need to use the sine function. Now, let's simplify. Sine of 57 degrees is equal to x, the measure of this side, divided by 12. Paano ko masasolve yung value ni x? Dapat isolated siya sa side ng equal sign kung nasan siya. Siya ay nasa right side, so goal ko, wala na siyang kasama sa right side. Paano ko aalisin yung over 12 dito? I need to multiply both sides by 12. Inando ko yung division by multiplication. Yan. X over 12 divided by 12, makakancel lang yung 12. Kasi magiging 12x over 12 yan. And then, divide mo yung 12 by itself, mawawala. So, meron ka na lang x on the right side. And then, finally, dito naman, meron tayong sine 57. Sine 57 degrees multiplied by 12. Now, we can use our calculator. Hanapin muna natin yung sine 57, saka natin i-multiply sa 12. So, sine 57, saan si sine function? Ito. 57. So, merong 0.84. Kung i-lowest term ko siya, i-round off ko sa nearest hundredths. This is 0.84. Sulat natin. 0.84. And then, i-multiply sa 12 yan. Ayun na yung value ng x. Yun yung length nitong opposite side. So, multiplied by 12. This is 10.06 lamang. Rounded off to the nearest hundredths. 10.06. And that's the value of x. Or the length of the opposite side of this angle. Now it's your turn. Can you do this? Hanapin lang si theta. So, siya ay matatagpuan dito sa angle na to. Pansinin na meron tayong hagdan na naka-angkla, naka-incline sa isang pader, no? Yung layo ng base ng hagdan dun sa pader ay 8 feet. Habang yung height naman, kung saan sila nag-meet ay 21 feet. So, you're asked to solve for theta. Una mong tanong sa sarili mo, anong function ang gagamitin? So, again, given yung adjacent side and the opposite side. Let me know in the comments kung ano makuha mong sagot o kung may bahagi ng video na to na hindi mo ganong naunawaan. Thank you so much for watching this video.